children, how are you? Very good morning. This is Amita. Today's topic, next series of photosynthesis. This is the only discussion about photosynthesis equation. Okay, this topic very important for grade 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's start without any wasting time. Before start this topic, please I will request to all, please subscribe, like and vote, share and press red button for upcoming notification for this series. So let's start. Photosynthesis equation. Photosynthesis equation involving two reactants, carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water synthesize together, react together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Previous video we had already discussed about chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a teeny particles present in green leaves. So here only discuss about photosynthesis equation. So in photosynthesis reaction involves these two reactant, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay, carbon dioxide and water involved in two reactants, carbon dioxide and water. So let's start. Photosynthesis reactant. Photosynthesis reaction involve photosynthesis reaction involves two reactants. Involves two reactants. Two reactants. Okay. Carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. Okay. In photosynthesis reaction involve two reactant, carbon dioxide and water synthesize and react together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll and produce glucose and oxygen. Okay. These two reactants, these two reactants produce oxygen and glucose. Produce oxygen. This one. Produce oxygen here and glucose. Produce oxygen and glucose. Okay. This one. Photosynthesis reaction involves two reactants, carbon dioxide and water. These two reactants produce oxygen and glucose, C6H12O6. Okay. Hence the photosynthesis is considered to be an endothermic reaction. Photosynthesis is a endothermic reaction, considered to be as a endothermic reaction following the photosynthesis formula. Photosynthesis equation. Photosynthesis reaction is considered to be a endothermic reaction. Is considered to be a endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Okay, this one. So this is a very clearly description here. You can easily note down and can understand this topic. Only focus on this session. Only focus on photosynthesis equation. Okay. In this photosynthesis equation, the involved two reactant, carbon dioxide and water. Here 6CO2 plus 6H2O and react presence of sunlight and chlorophyll and yield two product. This reactant carbon dioxide and water synthesize together and react together and produce and yields two product produce C6H12O6 glucose and oxygen release. Okay, so this is a equation of photosynthesis. Please keep in mind. Okay, this is a very important topic here. You can easily note down in your notebook. This one, very important topic. Photosynthesis reaction involve two reactant, carbon dioxide and water. These two reactant produce oxygen and glucose. Photosynthesis reaction to be a endothermic reaction. Okay, reaction is this is formula 6CO2 6H2O in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, C6H12O6 6O2. So we will end this video here, and I will request to all please subscribe, like and more share and press red button for upcoming notification. In previous video link about already know about photosynthesis and what process of during photosynthesis. Okay, so all playlists I will drop in this video description box. You can easily find out. So go to my channel and create this topic of playlist already uploaded there. So take care. Goodbye.